Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're somebody who's planning to study abroad, be it anywhere, Germany, Canada, UK, anywhere, I think this video is something you should definitely watch before planning your journey. Because when students plan for abroad, they mostly focus on SOPs, applications, then visa, accommodations. But what they really underestimate is financial planning. And trust me, having unstructured finances while studying abroad can create a lot of stress later. एंड ऑनेस्टली ये सारी चीज़ें बहुत स्टूडेंट्स को बहुत लास्ट में समझ आती है, बहुत बाद में रियलाइज़ होता है कि ओ दिस इज़ एक्चुअली स्ट्रेसफुल. समटाइम्स स्टूडेंट्स थिंक कि लोन तो हो ही जाएगा यार, कुछ ना कुछ करके कैसे भी हो जाएगा और उस टाइम पार्ट टाइम के साथ देख लेंगे, सब चीज़ें हो जाएंगी. But no, the reality abroad is a bit different. It is important to do it beforehand, to plan everything beforehand. And today I want to talk honestly about the financial mistakes students made, the problems that they face later, and something that can actually help simplify the loan search process that students need. When you move abroad, suddenly you're handling all the expenses, rents, groceries, your insurances, your fees, transportation, blocked account money, everything all by yourself. And if your finances are not planned properly, even these small things become really stressful. और इनिशियली जब आप नए नए बाहर मूव हुए होते हो, थिंग्स आर रियली डिफरेंट बिकॉज हो सकता है आपके पास जॉब नहीं है, हो सकता है आपकी यूनिवर्सिटी का कुछ इशू चल रहा है, एंड देन ऑल दीज थिंग्स tend to become way more overwhelming because your head is still stressed with settling in and you have more stress with finances. So it's way better to sort out everything before moving abroad. I remember when I was planning to move abroad, this one thing about the finances was actually way more confusing. Not because I was not having enough options, because हर कोई अलग चीज़ें बोल रहा था and I was confused कि भाई मैं क्या करूँ. सम पीपल से कि कोलैटरल मैंडेटरी होता है, कुछ लोग बोलते हैं कि पब्लिक बैंक्स के पास जाओ, सिर्फ गवर्नमेंट बैंक से लोन लो, कुछ बोलते हैं कि प्राइवेट बैंक्स आर क्विक. And then you end up watching YouTube videos, reading some Reddit comments, trying multiple banks and still being confused. कभी कभी लगता है कि loans लेना is more difficult than having your admission done in a, let's say, private university. And it's also because सब लोग बहुत late start करते हैं सब applications करना. By that point already हमारे यूनिवर्सिटीज से ऑफर्स आ चुके होते हैं, वीज़ा डेडलाइंस पास आ रही होती है, एंड यू हैव इवन मोर प्रेशर कि क्या करा जाए. वन थिंग आई जेन्युइनली वांट स्टूडेंट्स टू keep in mind is please don't start your financial journey with this देख लेंगे वाला mindset, because बाद में चीज़ें एक्चुअली तुम्हें ही परेशान करेंगी. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ़ यू नो योर बजट, योर EMI expectations, your loan eligibility, then you're way more mentally prepared. So recently I came across something that is gonna simplify this whole process for you. It's called Gyanthan Education Loan Eligibility Checker. What I like about this is it's actually like a starting point for students without making things complicated. Because normally, what happens? You go to multiple banks, different websites, different reviews, and every place asks for different things. But here, you can basically check your estimated eligibility at one place. At least आपको एक clarity मिलती है कि आपके realistically क्या क्या options हो सकते हैं, and that itself reduces a lot of stress. The process is actually pretty simple. You just have to put in some basic details, and within 2 minutes, the tool shows estimated loan eligibility, possible lenders, EMI estimates, and the next steps, which I think is quite helpful because then you can understand your process without having to think कितना time लगेगा और क्या क्या चीज़ें हैं. And the good thing is that they work with multiple lenders like SBI, ICICI, Prodigy Finance, Credila, and many more lenders. So instead of depending on random information online, students can have multiple options more properly at one place. So, the more financially prepared you are, the more confidence you have to focus on other things like your studies, your life abroad, socializing, seeing more career opportunities, actually enjoying your life here. अगर मुझे इसके बारे में पता होता तो आई थिंक मैं बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम बचा चुकी होती जो मैंने अपना स्ट्रेस में उस टाइम स्पेंड करा. बिकॉज मेरे टाइम पे भी सेम चीज़ थी कि मेरा वीज़ा टाइमलाइन वाज कमिंग रियली क्लोज, माय वीज़ा डेट वाज कमिंग रियली क्लोज, एंड आई वाज नॉट प्रिपेयर्ड. आई डिड नॉट हैड अ पर्टिकुलर loan approved. I was still so much confused with what to do, and I was like panicking at the last time. And I would have saved so much time if I had known about this thing earlier. So, if you're planning to study abroad or just starting your research right now, I would highly recommend checking your loan eligibility. So, I've added the link in the description and also pinned the comment. And yeah, it just takes a couple of minutes and you have a clearer starting point for your financial planning. और बहुत सारा guesswork कम हो जाता है, trust me. So yeah, this is it for this video, guys. I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions related to life here in Germany, studying abroad, and financial planning, then drop them down in the comments. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.